Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quantum Leap in Blox Fruits. This incredible ability lets you instantly teleport, making it perfect for both offense and defense. Mastering Quantum Leap can significantly improve your gameplay, allowing you to outmaneuver opponents and traverse the map with impressive speed. We will cover how to activate it, its best uses, and some advanced tips to truly master this skill. To activate Quantum Leap, first ensure it is equipped in your skill bar. Once ready, simply press the designated hotkey, usually R or F by default, to trigger the ability. Remember to aim your cursor in the direction you wish to teleport. The leap will instantly move you to that spot, covering a considerable distance in a blink. Practice aiming to become precise with your movements. Quantum Leap offers immense strategic advantages. It is perfect for dodging powerful enemy attacks, allowing you to avoid damage and reposition. You can also use it to surprise opponents, teleporting directly into melee range or behind them for a quick combo. Furthermore, it's an excellent tool for fast travel, helping you cross large areas or escape from overwhelming numbers with ease. For advanced play, try combining Quantum Leap with your other abilities. For example, leap behind an enemy and immediately unleash a powerful attack. Practice timing your leaps to perfectly dodge boss attacks or to close gaps on fleeing players. Mastering this timing will make you a formidable force. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming a Quantum Leap master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.